क'क्राझाराव थानाय CITआव मैयानिफ्राय जानाय क'क्राझार CITनि बोसोरारि टेकनिकेल फोरबो टेक्ट्रेसिया दिनै जोबथा सान। बे फोरबोआ जाबाय आफां आसामनि देरसिन टेकनिकेल फोरबोफोरनि गेजेरावनो मोनसे। बे फोरबो खुंनायनि गुबै थांखियानो जाबाय साफ्रोमबो सुबुंखौ बुहुमाव टेकनिकेलि जौगानायनि सोमोन्दै गियान होनाय। बे बोसोराव स्पेस एन्ड इन्डियान एचिभमेन्ट्स इन स्पेस आयदाखौ लानानै 23 आरो 24 नभेम्बराव साननैनि हाबाफारिजों खुंनाय जायो। बे हाबाफारियाव गोबां बिगियानजों सोमोन्दो थानाय RC एयार श'जों लोगोसे रब' वार्स बायदि दिन्थिफुंनायजों लोगोसे मानगोनां आलासिफोरा बिगियानजों सोमोन्दो थानाय आयदानि सोमोन्दै बेसेनगोसा बिबुंथि लाखियो। आरो दिनै हारिमुआरि मोनाबिलियाव देंखोगिरि बिश्रुत सइकियाया मेथाइ खनगोन।
मेरा नाम है PLN राजू। I am coming from Guwahati. I am working at Government of Assam, Science, Technology, Climate Change Department. I am a Special Secretary there and Director of Assam State Space Application Center. So basically we deal about use of satellite data and then process them and also provide solutions whatever the problems are there. Suppose recently there was a urban flooding in Guwahati on October 1st week. So because of the continuous rainfall, and then Honorable CM wanted to analyze which are all the areas which are flooded and then what is the reason for that. So we quickly acquired the satellite data and processed and provided which are all the areas it is flooded. And similarly, if there is some forest areas are there, if forest cutting and illegal cutting or something happens, so that also we can see through the satellite, assessing those things. And also, suppose if you have uneven distribution of resources, like availability of schools, colleges, for different reasons. So some of the areas like big cities will have facilities, but remote areas we may not have facilities. But using GIS techniques, we can analyze where the schools are required, where we can extend those facilities. So similarly, infrastructure facilities, etc. These are the activities we do. So the state center is basically to support all the line departments, agriculture department, forest department, water resources, urban department, and disaster management, etc. So we generate a lot of outputs using the satellite data. Is in carbon, so it also causes increase in temperatures. Increasing temperature also will cause uneven distribution of the events or extreme events. So due to that, all this happens. So the good to stop is to bring down carbon content in the atmosphere, and then so that it comes to the normal level. So for that, this COP committee on the climate, so they all over world level they come to an agreement that we should bring down to these levels to pre-industrial level, etc. So that everybody is asking that all countries are asked to reduce this, so that climate change effect can be reduced. So that is the main thing is going on, and Government of India also taking a lot of efforts, so that if you use petroleum products for the cars and mobile these things, so that also increases the carbon. So that's why electrical cars and then using hydrogen fuel, so those are all will help to reduce this carbon. That is the main. And then you also generate electricity through using the coals. So instead of coal, you go for solar power. So India is already wanted to achieve some target by 2035, but now itself we have achieved. So India is also progressing well in that. And Honorable PM also announced, I think, net zero carbon. So that means bringing down to carbon level to zero level, so that neutralizing this carbon production. So these are all will help you to reduce the climate change effects.
Robotic club, coding club, DevCom club, CyberX Secure Club. And there are many such clubs that we have. And this technical fest, it is open for all. It is not that only CIT people can come and participate. We have made it open, and the school students, college students, they can come, they can participate in different competitions that we have. There are different events, there are different invited talks. People from industries are here, from agro business are here, from NTPC, from space organizations. So they are here with us today, and many sessions have been organized. And I hope that it will help us to our students in learning new technologies, new innovations that are taking place across the country, and where our country is heading. So with this, I would like to thank all the people who are associated with this. Our technical committee is there, our honorable director, our honorable chief, the president of CIT Society, and everyone who is helping us in organizing this event. And thanks to all the media persons for coming to CIT. Thank you so much. We have many technical events, and in CIT we promote technical activities through such kind of festivals. We have 12 different clubs in CIT, and we started it 2 years back, and now many activities are taking up there through those. We have many technical events, and in CIT we promote technical activities through such kind of festivals. We have 12 different clubs in CIT, and we started it 2 years back, and now many activities are taking up there through those.
Right? That is why you are seeing that even data. So, traditional law is all that is required. You do not need a new fresh law. If the platform which is creating this minted, right? If they are in a position to detect copyrighted material before or after, then they can definitely do that. This situation is the creation of the NFT itself. It says that you have uploaded this file. So if you have infringed, then your infringement is what? Number one. Come in. Just like if you sell an infringing good on Amazon.